Yousician. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Yousician is a prominent interactive music learning platform aimed at beginners and intermediate players across instruments like guitar, bass, ukulele, piano, and voice. Its core feature is real-time feedback. The app listens to your playing and provides instant assessment on pitch and timing accuracy against the chosen exercise or song. This feedback is visualized through color-coded bars, indicating correct notes, missed notes, and notes played out of sync. Yousician offers a structured learning path organized into levels and missions, covering fundamental techniques like chords, scales, strumming patterns, fingerpicking, and music theory relevant to the instrument. The extensive song library provides a wide range of popular and original tunes across genres, allowing users to apply their newly acquired skills. Who is it for? Yousician primarily caters to individuals new to playing an instrument or those seeking to reinforce foundational skills. Its gamified approach with points, levels, and challenges can be motivating for beginners. Strengths include its immediate and objective feedback, which is crucial for developing proper technique from the outset. The structured curriculum provides a clear learning progression, and the song library allows for enjoyable practice. However, Yousician has weaknesses. Its reliance on microphone input can be inconsistent, especially in noisy environments or with lower quality microphones, leading to inaccurate feedback. While it covers essential techniques, it may lack the depth and nuance required for advanced players seeking specialized instruction or improvisational skills. The subscription model, while offering a free trial, can be a barrier to entry for some, especially considering the availability of free, albeit less interactive, resources. Furthermore, the gamified approach, while motivating for some, can become repetitive or distracting for others who prefer a more traditional learning environment. Ultimately, Yousician is a solid choice for beginners seeking a structured and interactive learning experience. Its real-time feedback and extensive song library are valuable tools for developing fundamental skills. However, advanced players may find it limiting, and users should be aware of potential microphone-related accuracy issues and the subscription cost. Consider it a supplementary tool rather than a replacement for a qualified instructor, particularly as you progress to higher levels of musicianship where personalized guidance becomes crucial.